Hey, thanks for watching Racers and Rods Media. Digital Dan the Car Show, man. Back at you with something a little different. So our friends Toni and Slim brought out the Mini Winnie Party RV at Eastbound Get Down. Before they could even park it properly, everyone was climbing aboard, and we're proud to announce that they were able to get 19 people. And a dog in the RV. Well, the Female Mini Truck Association and the Revhead Hotties got wind of this and weren't going to let an opportunity go by to break that record. Somehow our fearless leader Jim got involved, was pinned inside with a Winnebago full of ladies. All for the sake of capturing the moment. At least he says. He survived, and here's the video.
Uh-oh. No, hold on, the TV was falling. I'm sorry.
All right, before you guys get out, let me get out and I'll get you guys coming out. Female Mini Truckers Association and the Revhead girls, 40 people in the Winnebago, new record, beat 19 from last time. I was there.